You know, it takes time. Little quick single. Oh, perfect. The new ball, a little bit of swing, but it is offered up. A little bit of a half volley. Pakistan-England series as well. Oh, bold. He played all around a straight, quick delivery.
This time, Sajid. Very good delivery, straightforward delivery. He wanted to play across the ball. You can't do that as an opener.
Some of these would easily fit in and do well. Full again. A quick single. That's something they're going to have to do. Overthrows. It was a wild throw and the keeper couldn't take it. Slipped, tried to back it up. Clipped. Nice looking shot.
That's the shot of an opener. Playing with the swing.
Oh, this could be another chance. This should be taken. Is taken. Different start to his.
This pitch is a bit slower, but not from Mohammad Zishan. The ball got big on Mohammad Waqas. A comfortable catch.
Oh, nicked. What a catch. I think this is the catch of the tournament so far.
Mohammad Zishan holds a really good delivery and Chavez does the rest. Look at that full length dive to his right. That is an amazing catch.
Oh, that's got to be out. That has got to be out. In the 6th over, with the ball fairly new. Turn for the off spinner. And that's adjacent. Good decision by the umpire. That's beautiful. That's a gorgeous looking extra cover drive. That's fine enough to get 4.
Scott, there's 3 men in the deep. Just past that first slip.
Cut off the stumps.
All sliced away and will take some catch and dive. Nearly. Over. Well and truly over. Be 1 bounce 4. With mid-off up in the circle. A little bit of width. He's able to get his hands through it.
That's a quality stroke. Slightly overpitched, hasn't looked to hit it too hard. Oh!
Captain has made the mistake. Whether this just deviates a little bit, he's overrun it. Picked up. A good looking shot this is.
Tell you what, Siobhan Daniel has impressed me. Didn't see much of him in the first innings when he got an opportunity with the bat, but today, been very calculating in his innings.
Going again. Back-to-back 6s.
No, not much turn, the little that there is. Playing into his hands. He's probably got to think about coming around the wicket and getting that ball going across the left-hander.
Is this enough? Is enough.
Bit of air given, and he's just hit straight through the line. Back over the bowler's head. Long off was interested.
And I was just about to say he hasn't bowled any wides today. A left-hander hold better. Not a good outcome though, because it's a half volley and it's punished. All wild. No ball for height, and unfortunately for Zishan, it's a free hit. Does he get enough of it? He does. What a way to go to it. A half century. His first in the tournament. And he's brought it up in 33 deliveries, 4 4s and 3 6s.
They lost 4 wickets very early within the power play. And it's him and Majid who have done the repair work. Partnership now just 8 runs short of 100. And that is really a class innings.
Goes all the way, and what a way to bring up the 100 partnership between these two.
And they've done it with a minimum of effort. That's short. It's not all that short. Very quickly onto it.
He's got great speed and is completely messed up by the fielder at deep square leg.
That's the awareness you need. There's a fast bowler operating. There is a batter who has been in form, playing really well. Easily has been able to.
Oh, he's gone through. Plays it straight. And that's the 50 for Hasnain Majid. What a knock that is. He can raise his bat. He deserves to. That's high in the air. He'll take some catching. Two fielders are coming under it. And the third one takes it from the deep.
Really good bowling. This was the target. He wanted him to go over mid-on. A brilliant catch. It had to take a catch like this to get Hasnain out by Farhan Yusuf in the deep.
Oh, he just took the ball away with him on that occasion. Almost just passing, taking evasive action. Yeah, he's got pace, and that can be put away as well. He's got fast hands, and they've got no idea what's going on in the deep.
It was hit firmly. An awkward bounce in front of Mane. He did his best. He tried to get his body behind it.
He's hitting them hard. He's finding the gaps, and he is making Royals pay for their bad bowling lines.
Siobhan Daniel was ready for that. Pierced that gap on between long on and deep mid-wicket.
Full toss, put away. Yes, maximum.
It also seems like that they are behind the over 8 because there are 5 fielders inside the circle. There's a full toss, not the best delivery to bowl. You can't set a field for that. But there's extra pressure on the bowler. There are 5 fielders inside the circle and a very set batter on crease.
Catch it is the call. Long on getting under it. Arham and out. So the bowler who's been waiting for the longest time comes in and tells you how to get rid of.
And I've never seen a celebration like this from a bowler. He sends the long on back, gets the man. The big wicket of Siobhan Daniel. And once the catch is taken, he goes to the batter and congratulates him. Both are happy. You can't make predictions, but the prediction about this shot.
Waits for that ball and then plays it at will in that vacant zone. Call is for 2. It's the last ball. Keep pushing it and they will come back easily. What an innings this has been from Gujranwala Giants. Once again, from 24 for 4 in the power play, they've managed to end up with 179 for 6 in the 20 overs at 8.9 runs. Courtesy Siobhan Daniel and Hasnain Majid and their partnership of over 100 runs.